Goa Congress leader Girish Chodankar remembers Nehru's views on Goa on Congress Foundation Day. Girish Chodankar took to Twitter and tweeted the following: Nehru on Goa, March 12, 1962, Lok Sabha discussion on the Constitution 12th Amendment Bill 1962. We have made it clear that we want Goa to maintain its separate identity, separate individuality, call it what you will, because in the course of more than 400 years, Goa has had a separate identity and the course of history has imparted it so. We have no intention of changing or suppressing that identity. The Indian National Congress will observe its 136th Foundation Day on Monday. The All India Congress Committee members have instructed party state units to organize Tiranga Yatra and run a social media campaign, Selfie with Tiranga, in order to engage with the youth. They have also issued instructions to follow social distancing protocols in the view of coronavirus pandemic. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.